take the center cap off, use a straight blade screwdriver. Take that off. Use a 22mm socket, take off the lug nuts. Take the wheel off. Now you can do this without taking the wheel off, it just makes it a lot easier to take the wheel off. Now this is a little bit rusty, so I'm going to spray some rust penetrant right here, and the nut up here. Let that soak for a little bit. Now I'll use a 19mm wrench and just hold the stud from spinning. Use an 18mm socket. Take this nut off. Slide that off. And for the top bolt, use an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket. Take the nut off. It's getting pretty loose. Take that nut off, slide the bolt out, and just grab the link. Slide it out. You might need a pry bar. And just pry it out. There we go. All right, take the new link, slide it in position. If you have to bend the ears out a little bit, you can. And get the stud to go through and the sway bar. And slide the bolt through. Put the nut on. Get that started. The lower nut. Now I'll tighten this nut up. And then tighten this upper nut to 48 foot-pounds. And tighten the lower nut to 48 foot-pounds. And reinstall the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. And reinstall the center cap.